So, hello guys, welcome back to another video of Xbox. So, I'm gonna show you how to change Xbox profile picture or how you can easily add your profile picture in Xbox application. So, first of all, please log in your Xbox account, then tap on your profile icon. Then again you can click on the edit option in profile picture. You can click on that. Then you can easily select any image from here which you want to upload as your profile picture, or you can upload your custom picture. So click on the picture and then click save. So this is how you can easily change the profile picture of Xbox account. So please like and subscribe my channel and like this video. So bye.